Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Alright. Come on.
Yo, you always look at the food like it's going somewhere. It's not going anywhere, honey.
Come on, man. The fish they must swim around in my youth.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
Key West catch of the day. You know it. AKA swim around.
Before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. You see that? We're back. I know you like first lady outfit of the day because I love it.
I'm chilling today,
Yes.
chillaxing.
I know, and it was just a chill day, you know, something like, you know, a little walking out there like you're gonna exercise, you know?
Yeah, chill out.
Chillaxing. But look. Damn. Oh, this is first lady. What you call them? What you say them?
Onion.
Onion. They hot, man. No lie, they hot, you're freak.
Now family, let me tell you something. Your outfit of the day, whether you're going to work, going to a party, it doesn't have to be expensive.
Exactly.
It's how you put it together, how you pair it. And what I have, this sweatsuit that I have on was from the little boys section at Walmart. Yes, it was.
Yes, it was. Yes,
$5 for the top, $5 for the bottom.
Yep. I shop at the kids section too.
He does. And then you pair it with like a nice handbag, or a nice pair of sneakers that has like that's a little more
Nice pair of
expensive.
sneakers or Richie buy foam posits. I know you like them. I'm gonna sell them. You have too much.
So you can
sell
have
them.
something that's inexpensive, and then you have something that's expensive, and it just people would think your whole outfit is expensive, but it's not.
You must compliment you get about your outfit there, man. People think you buy. You have to know for shop.
Yeah, no, not the shop. I go right to the clearance section.
First lady.
Let me get my food.
Well, look at this, family.
I eat my fish.
Check it out. This fish was fried in my RFC recipe. Put your hand up there first, let them see that. It's okay. It's coming to you.
My hand, baby.
That's
How it looks?
That's how the fish was swimming to me and I'd catch him. But it looked good. This was made in my RFC recipe, you know? If you don't see the RFC recipe, that's for the fried chicken. Go check it out.
Go check it out.
But this is the Key West catch of the day, and Miss Gina, this one is for you. You want it fried and you want it whole? You got it. Okay? I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it with us. Mama Shay, you're in this coming neck. You want the stew? All right, we got you. Heard?
Oh,
Damn.
and just to let you guys know,
You have a tomato fish taste.
delicioso. When you do shop in the junior section, not junior, in the little boys section, just go a size up.
Up.
So this is a extra large in the boys section, and the pants is extra large. So because it's boys, it's little kids. Okay, so you have to get it bigger, and that's it.
This fish is on point. Everybody like the Billy Goat video, man.
Yeah, the Billy are going good.
You like the Billy Goat video? Yeah. Billy tastes good too. But yeah, this is the Key West catch of the day, you know? This snapper is right here called Schoolmaster.
Remember, you guys saw us catching them on the bridge.
If they didn't,
check out the video.
Yeah. Watch your tail.
Ooh.
Proper hot man.
Onions, hot.
Wow.
Also, family, if you guys
You got a lot on your mind there, first lady.
if you guys make any of our dishes,
Yeah.
whether you have a channel or not, we say it all the time, hit us up on Instagram. Show us. We love to see it.
Yeah, we could brag about it. I know a lot of y'all make a lot of dishes. Just show us. I mean, we could brag.
We love seeing it.
Make us feel good, you know? When y'all do it. Damn. I take that eat a fish, you know.
You better.
Family, is the first day to watch me eat a fish? I gotta take my time. I started eating my fish too fast.
When he eat fish, when he eat cimarron, it just makes me nervous.
Cimarron, nice, man.
Because Vichy already eat fast already.
You hear the crunch?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, man. Oh, jealous. Nobody jealous, eh? Family. I hope you're having a wonderful day, as always. You know what I'm saying? But this fish is good. I ain't gonna lie.
It's hitting.
And the onion is banging, son. First lady onion.
And these onions, the onions, remember, they can stay in the fridge for a while, 6 months. Because it has vinegar in there, okay?
Yep.
And the longer it sits, the spicier it gets.
Sweet, man. Spicy like you.
Spicy like me.
Yeah. Family, you know that we haven't buy fish in what? What, last 3 years? Or 2 years?
Going on 3 years now. But basically 2 years, like you said, my love.
Last 2 years, family, we don't buy fish. Why? And we can't catch it our own. And y'all saw. Y'all came and we conquered.
That's a good day.
So all you say, oh, Richie, I don't be catching it. Yeah, I know we do.
We showed you this time. We made sure we gave you the proof.
We show you this time. What you act for, you get. You don't know. You eat off the onion fast, man. Move fast on the onion, then, man. Yep.
Might need to get some more.
One more? I'm gonna get more. You want more?
I believe it because, you know, we tear it up. We'll be right back, family. And your family, we're back.
Family.
Ooh.
I don't usually make the swim around like this, but first lady said she went this way. Look at this. Look at this. Snowflakes. You know, first lady. And do small. Yeah. What? First lady said she want to try like that. I just fried crispy. I never used to put my RFC seasoning on it.
But you discovered something. He discovered something. It's really good like that too. I always feel like certain things men make better. Like fried fish.
Yeah, people like fried fish, you know.
And your stewed fish. What you around? Fried fish, stewed fish, steamed fish, Escovitch. It doesn't matter. All of them. You make good.
I that catch on the fish.
I'm trying to get.
Everything. You see, first day you already eat slow. Watch this now, slower.
Ooh.
Probably not creep up first lady.
Oh, Papa.
My gosh, thank God. For a fishing pole.
But in Jamaica, you don't use fishing pole, honey.
Don't use fishing pole. You're just lying. I never thought fishing would have been so fun.
You gotta go with the right person.
First day they love fishing. The first day they jump on the bandwagon. My first day go there sit down all day. If we don't catch a fish, it's still nice. It's just the fun of it.
Fun of it.
A lot of people, you want to talk?
Oh no, go ahead, baby.
A lot of people don't have patience.
But honey, you don't have patience.
Talk about catching fish. I'm talking about
My
catching
husband
fish.
do not have any patience, you guys.
We catching
okay?
fish. We have to talk about fish now, alright?
My bad. I'm gonna tell your business.
Talk about business, man. Fishing takes a lot of time. Yep. Sometimes it's a good day, sometimes it's a bad day. Just throw your line. That's all you gotta do.
Richie's the first person to show me how to fish. For the for our first family members, you guys may know that already because we said that before. But for the new ones, I'm letting you guys know. Richie's the one who introduced me to fishing.
My first day can't stop.
I love it.
Every year you want to fish.
It's the excitement of it.
It's exciting, yeah.
And you know how good the fish tastes when it's fresh, and then if you try to go buy it at the store, it's not gonna be the same.
Yep. Buy store fish somewhere. Yeah, I can't buy fish again.
Yeah, but we're not going out into the ocean.
Yeah, I'm not a boat person. We get seasick.
Sure do.
I don't like the boat.
And twice,
Yeah.
we went to Key West, and we went on a boat, and we paid like $100, and caught like 6 fish. It's not worth it.
Not really. And then I was messed up.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
I was messed up, family. Oh god.
All we need is a tank of gas, and
Bait
some bait, and we good, because we have everything else.
with good money. I guarantee we catch fish.
Yeah. 20, 30, one time we caught almost 50 fish. Oh my gosh.
Alright. Rise up.
What's the more rice? Don't judge me, family.
Yep.
Rice scarce.
Yep. Jasmine rice. That's Chinese rice.
Chinese rice.
Okay, you know jasmine rice gotta be Chinese rice. But yeah, family. It's a waste of time going on the boat when you could just find a little spot down wherever you have a fishing place at. And you go fish.
And go fish.
Where's someone worse if you're not an ocean person? The problem is this. When you're on that boat and then that boat starts rocking like this, that's when it kick in. You can't look down. You gotta look out straight. But me?
At the horizon.
Yeah, I like when the fish about bite my line to never see it. So I be looking down. That's a wrap from there. I went fishing one time, Kay was married. I was knocked out for the count. First, we was catching all the fish of them. All I know was the triple over when I wake up. But we love the ocean though.
Yeah. Just on land.
On land.
If that makes sense.
But if we do get our own boat or something, we're not going far.
Hell no. I gotta be able to swim to the place.
I had to be at my cell phone gotta work.
Yeah.
Don't worry, why you say Richie you're not eating that next fish? Yes I am. You're watching me too much now, come and eat it. But I'm taking my time first.
What is your favorite thing to see us eat?
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, I'm curious.
Yeah.
Let us know. What is your favorite thing to see us eat?
Yeah, calm that down. That's a good one.
Honey.
Then you gonna say pork. God, I don't eat pork. Yeah, better don't say that.
Your favorite thing to eat on
Me?
Mukbang. besides everything,
See? That's the answer already.
is oxtail.
No, oxtail, they're freak. Excuse me.
My favorite thing to eat is anything what?
Anything what?
Is anything what?
They have pork tonight? We don't have pork? They have everything. Your favorite is your curry chicken. That's your favorite, but you eat everything.
I just love curry.
You love curry on it. Holy. I eat everything as long as enough for. Real talk.
I know. And you'll try it too.
Yeah, I mean the bone, the fish head. Damn. Yeah. I eat the fish head too. I love it.
I'm loving it.
I got a lot of fish head, love it too. I think that's the best part.
Yeah.
I told you I'm gonna eat it, don't worry. It was just chilling. Now, did I tell you you're good?
Look, that's gonna be good.
Good.
I'll let you know though.
Family, y'all can help me with this last one. So I save it for y'all. Y'all help me out.
I thought I needed more rice tuna.
Oh. Let me get in my word.
I'm sorry, family. I know you guys are saying, what happened to the wooden spoon or the wooden fork? Especially the one that Twin Green sent us.
Yep, I can't wait to use that one there.
I can't use
I'm
that
a
on this because I have to dig into the fish. Y'all understand?
I'm a strato.
I'm gonna stop.
Family, ready for this one? Because I gotta get back to my fish. Because it's waiting patiently. It's spectacular, you know that. Family, if it wasn't hard, everyone would do it. It's the hard that makes it great. Short and sweet.
Short and sweet.
If it wasn't hard, everyone will do it. It's the hard that make it great. Back to my fish now. AKA slings around. You get over there and stay there. Look at this, first lady. Look at this. So, yo, oh family, if y'all know my favorite season, I know y'all know it already. That's all I put. For the new ones, Everglade. For the people that know the Maggie season, the Everglade is just like that. You know what I'm saying? All we use is the Everglade. I ain't put nothing else in there. It's straight Everglade. You okay?
Look at something. Pepper creep up, man.
I sink up, man. Yo.
Oh, yeah.
Yo. When you're shitting your body, when you're tighten.
My first time drinking.
Wow.
You would think I would be drinking more because it's spicy. I don't know.
Miss Gina, it was worth the wait. Yes, it was, Miss Gina. Trust me. I appreciate every one of y'all.
Always.
Everyone. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh. This is seasoned
Yep.
so good. You only use Everglades?
Everglade, that's all.
That's impossible.
That's all, girl. Just Everglade, son. That's all I use. No cap.
But even when you use other seasoning, it still tastes so good, yo.
Everglade?
Yeah.
Alright, so let me just try it.
Yeah.
Wake up.
We gotta give you guys a story time.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
That's all. Got a surprise for y'all. We got a lot going on right now.
Ooh. Ooh.
We got surprise for them first, don't worry. Look at this meat. Oh, yo. I don't know how people fillet their fish. We not fillet no fish, you know.
We'll start mine. But, honey, some people...
It depends on the fish, though.
Yeah, but some people fillet the fish so good, there's really no meat left. But the head
Yo.
is good, too.
First lady, I'm not filleting no fish, my youth. A waste of fish that my youth. Y'all like filleting your fish? Calm it down. If you spend 12 hours, you do a full day shift, family. Real talk now, we talking. And catch a fish. Then you come home and fillet it. My daddy didn't go fishing.
But some people don't like bones. So they fillet it.
Go buy Solomon.
Like Vincent don't like bones. Fish.
Say what you want, girl.
There's white meat right here.
It's right in there.
See? He shares.
Sometime.
He shares all the time.
Wow. This is so good.
You see the pepper done? The next one.
What movie you want to watch?
I don't know. We gotta find one. We haven't watched a movie in a while.
We're going to the movies, family. Right here. Drive to at our house. First they worrying about with the boy and mama.
I am.
I'm good, son. Look, see?
But when they fillet it, that's how I be looking. You know?
Where's your fish? All the seasoning right in here.
Yeah.
Look, if your big fish bone don't look like that, you're not popping, son.
Honey.
They left, they're not there.
Now listen, I know the family think that you only have one hand dinner.
One hand challenge.
You would do great. Ooh.
Last part. Thank you for your sacrifice. Look at these teeth. That's why. Look. Put your hand in there to see what they call the snapper. Put your hand in there to see. You see them teeth? That's what they call the snapper. You have the teeth that catch you afraid.
I kid you not. All day. We was waiting for him to cook this food. All day.
We appreciate y'all coming through. Enjoying the show with us. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are First Lady.
The Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.
Bye.